Where are we, Megatronus? Don't you remember, old friend?
Hey, Megatron is Prime. Nice.
Oh, yeah, well, he's my hero.
The greatest Prime to ever live.
I'm D16.
Orion Pass.
You ever mind Amazon before?
No. You?
No. I hear it's dangerous.
Watch my back. Promise to watch yours.
Thanks.
You did me. I can give you this awesome Megatron Prime thing. Let's go on to something else.
What Megatron's Prime?
Edition Megatron's Prime Decal First Edition. I mean, if you don't want it, I can...
That's not funny. Let me see.
I'm glad you're increasing.
You know, Sentinel says Megatronus was the
Strongest Prime to ever live. I know, buddy. Looks good on you.